In today's video I've visited the Greenhill bike park with a bunch of friends. These have been the most dusty conditions I've ridden in yet. With someone in front, you've been barely able to see the trail. But we've had a ton of fun anyway. At this point my friend Hendrik has turned one of his crazy ideas into reality. My goal for the next time at Greenhill is this drop. This time I've been too afraid of the gap's distance. But at least I've done the house drop at the trailhead. This step up is also on my hit list. We also had a crash that day.
Oh fuck.
Ron has ran over Dominic after he has crashed behind the double.
Whoa! Vorsicht!
Luckily both are fine.
Oh.
Thanks to Ron for the footage. Go check out his YouTube channel in the description.